Hi friend, how are you? My name is Kamrul Hassan from Intech Monster. Today I will show you how to install Windows 11 in any desktop and laptop computer. Now jump on the topic. Windows 11 install in any computer by USB pen drive. First thing, no need TPM 2.0 and secure boot. It's permanently bypass. Second, need only one thing. Your primary hard drive or SSD must be GPT partition style. Third, need Rufus software for USB boot. Now, I am opening Rufus application. Here is my Windows 11 official insider program ISO file. Now select the ISO file, partition style, select GPT, file system, select NTFS and click start. I am already boot my USB drive. Then I close the program. Our pen drive is booted. Now need TPM bypass file for this pen drive folder. This file is permanently bypass TPM and secure boot. Copy this file and paste it USB drive. Now our pen drive is ready for Windows 11 installation in any old desktop and laptop computer. Now 3 step is complete. Now I am restart my computer and go to BIOS option, select boot menu and select a USB drive and start Windows 11 installation. See some computer BIOS option. HP computer BIOS boot menu F9, Gigabyte F12, MSI F11, Asus F8. One important thing, Windows 11 Insider Program ISO file, TPM bypass file, Rufus boot application, download link below in the video description. Now I am restart my computer and start install Windows 11. Now click next. Now click install now. Setup is starting. Now click Pro version. Now bypass the TPM. Type notepad, file, save as, select all files. Go to pen drive and TPM bypass file and select merge. Now close the program. Back and click next. Wow, it's permanently bypassed. Now install the Windows 11 file. Now Windows 11 is installing. Finally successfully installed Windows 11 in my computer. If you face any problem and issue Windows 11 installed in your computer, please comment on the video. Also contact my WhatsApp number. If you benefited from this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for any new video update. Today, tata, bye bye. See you on the next video.